Good afternoon po. Ngayon po ay September 24, 2025, Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong September 24, 2025, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, September 24, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for September 24, 2025, Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, September 24, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of September 24, 2025, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.